After over a year on the road and 27,000 kilometres later, we're on our final road home. We leave Eden and head into Victoria for the first time in over a year. We stop at Lake's entrance for a few days and check out the beautiful town there. And then our last stop at a little place called Lake Narracan, before we finally make the trip home to Mornington after an amazing 12 months on the road.
And we're back in Victoria. Wow, how do you feel, Chris?
Sad.
Yeah, it was a bit of a disappointing border sign. It was just quite an average road sign. I reckon the best one that we've crossed was between the NT and SA.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah, that was really good. There were impressive signs, and they'd even sort of spray painted the road with NT and SA, and even the rubbish bins were labelled NT and SA.
You could jump across each of the line and be in one state and then the other.
Yeah, we were in NT and Archie was in SA, and that was good fun.
But back in Victoria now.
Yeah, back in our home state.
It's been a year, hasn't it? We're definitely on the home stretch now.
Yeah, it'll be a year in a few days' time.
And got another week or so. We don't know where we're going today. We're just going to see how far we get because we've got such little time anyway. So
yeah,
we might make it all the way to Lake's entrance. We might not. We'll see how we go, I guess.
Yeah, let's hopefully wherever we are we can have a last few fun days.
And a few Sundays as well. We need some sun.
Yeah. So
but we're in Victoria, so we're not going to get it.
Although the rain has now stopped, so that's at least one thing. All right, let's see where we end up.
Welcome to a new episode, guys, and we're on the home stretch.
I know, we're getting very close to home now. We are here at Lake's entrance.
Yeah, both of us have never been here before. Again, a place we've really wanted to go to. And unfortunately, it's only one of the few stops we're going to do this week because we're homeward bound, aren't we?
We are indeed. I can't believe we've never been here before. We always thought it was too far, and now we feel so close.
Yeah, I can't believe how close it is. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, let's go see what we can find, and I hope you enjoy the episode.
Enjoy. We've just come down into Lake's entrance. It's very quiet here. I suppose it is a Monday and there are not a lot of people around at all. But the sun's out, there's blue sky, and it's a lovely spot for a little walk. Not a lot going on, but great to get a bit of exercise and a bit of sea air. We've now come down to the bottom end of Bullock Island here at Lake's entrance, which is where the actual entrance is. Just over there we can see the sea, and behind me here we've got some dredgers. It seems like a really good place to do some dredging because it's really tidal here. The current behind is incredible. The tide's obviously going out at the moment. Earlier, further up, we actually saw it going in the other direction. So really interesting. Good morning. We have left Lakes Entrance and are now heading back towards Melbourne. One stop left. We're not sure where that stop's going to be yet. It's we haven't booked anywhere, and I think we're just going to look for sort of a caravan park that's quite nice and spacious and quiet. The one we stayed at Lakes Entrance was pretty busy and a little bit tight as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty jam-packed.
Yeah, so feeling a bit tired this morning. Archie's got a bit of a poorly tummy and was up pretty much every single hour during the night, having to let him out and let him sort himself out.
Poor doggy.
Poor doggy.
He'll be alright.
He's in the back here. He's sort of just sleeping. I think he's pretty tired too, so we haven't given him any breakfast. Just going to try and let his stomach settle a bit, and hopefully he'll be back to his lively self again soon.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna, so for today, just put as many kilometres under our belt as possible. I think from Lakes Entrance in this is probably about 5 hours back to Melbourne. So we'll probably try and do as much as we can today, so we don't have to do too much on the way back home, I reckon.
Yeah, I'm going to go have a look on Wiki Camps now and see if we can find somewhere that's a bit interesting.
How's it feel?
Weird.
Last stop.
I know.
Yeah, it is. It's a bit bittersweet. Like, I'm really looking forward to getting back into our house and
seeing your family.
Yeah, good news is we've both got jobs.
Yes. Woo!
So that's a big tick there. So we start in a few
definitely.
weeks, which is really exciting. But but if we could, we'd keep travelling around and around and around. But realistically, we can't do it forever, unfortunately. But so it is very bittersweet for me.
It is. However, on this trip we haven't really done Victoria, as those of you that have followed us from the start will have noticed.
Or Tassie.
So this isn't the end. We've got some plans to explore Victoria, because we haven't really done too much. You've probably done more than I have, Chris, being from Melbourne.
Yeah.
But I think we've got some other adventures planned. But
there's so much to do in Victoria, it's ridiculous. So we've plenty planned over the next 6 months, so we're going to continue the episodes, of course, so don't stop watching us, but they just probably won't be as frequent as they have been, I reckon. They'll probably be on a monthly instead of weekly basis.
Yeah, so in the meantime, I think we'd probably better start figuring out where we're going to stay tonight.
Yes, because
otherwise we'll be getting home a lot early, two days earlier than planned.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, we'll keep you posted where we find. Here we are. The time was always going to come. We are having our last full day of our 12-month life of Australia. We're staying at a spot just up the road from Moe, and the lake here is called Lake Narracan, and we're staying at the caravan park just next to it. It's super quiet. The caravan park, I think we're the only people there at the moment. It has a lot of permanent caravans, but it looks like they're all holiday caravans because there's nobody living there at the moment. And then, in terms of visitors, I think we're the only people here at the moment. So it's amazingly peaceful. They've put us right at the edge of the caravan park, which overlooks this big field, which I think is their unpowered section, but it's just a big empty field. So we've got some lovely views out of the caravan at the moment. And having this lake just down at the bottom is lovely for a quick walk, and Archie's enjoying himself, having a bit of a walk around the lake as well. So all in all, it's a really relaxing end to our adventures. And then tomorrow morning we'll be heading back to Chris's parents in Mornington. I think that's about a 2-hour drive. So we'll probably set off mid-morning, get back to theirs around lunchtime, and that's it for this trip. So as we've mentioned before, that's not it for the channel or our adventures. We've got a lot more to explore, especially around Victoria. So we do have plans, and we'll talk to you about those in a bit more detail once we figure out what they are. And but yeah, in the meantime, I'm just going to relax and enjoy this beautiful view. So this is our last spot. It's Lake Narracan Caravan Park. As you can see, there's not really much going on here. That's the unpowered site. We are actually the only people staying here. So it's apart from there's all of the permanents at that side, but even with the permanents, there's nobody here. So yeah, it's been really quiet for our last couple of nights. So I've got Archie down here too. Hey Archie. So feeling quite mixed emotions this morning, it being the last pack up, knowing that there aren't any more for this trip.
Yeah, it's weird. That was kind of our last night in the caravan for maybe forever, which is, yeah, it's a bit surreal really, because you just get used to it after a year.
Yeah, we had a nice dinner and still got the pots to clean up from that, but yeah, feeling a little bit tired this morning, and yeah, sad that it's over, but looking forward to seeing our family and friends.
Yeah, looking forward to getting back. We've got some awesome new jobs to get to, which is pretty boring, but you know, we're really excited about it.
Yeah.
And yeah, saving some money for the next big trip, so maybe.
See what happens.
Yeah, so yeah, keep in touch.
Yeah. Well, let's
watch this space.
We'll get sorted, and maybe we'll share our drive and our arrival home.
Yep, let's get going.
Okay. And here we are, back again. We're back home. Woo-hoo-hoo.